Welcome at Ash Paddocks. We're only a very small holding of 4 acres, and we sell fresh eggs, potatoes and a couple of seasonal vegetables on our little egg stand. We make fresh cut flowers and try to sell them every week as well once the season's going. And yeah, welcome. And here are some of our cut flowers. We sell some local honey from my very good friend. We recently acquired 2 beehives ourselves, so for next year we're going to have Ash Paddocks honey, eggs and cut summer flowers. And here are our valet crosses. Hopefully we're going to have a valet tap towards the end of this year, and we're going to have some lambs coming up next spring. We also have, I'd say, about 70 chickens. Quite a few of them are retired now, but they're our egg layers. We do hatch and raise some rare breeds like Brahmas and Samanis. So they're all black chickens. And a very large Brahmas. Sometimes the other hens do sit on the eggs and hatch them, the pure breed, so better make a use for them. So here at Ash Paddocks we have 6 female bloodlines for the pigs. Hetty, she's a dandelion. She came all the way from Pembrokeshire in Wales. With a big help of charity, we have collected quite a few bloodlines across the UK. Then we have Doris, she's Sybil, Mary and Gertrude. They're pregnant, so hopefully soon we're going to have those piglets coming. Doris is a couple of years old already. She's a very good mum. Her last litter was 16, which was quite impressive. And here we have Mary and Gertrude. We're trying to keep busy and breed all around the year. Sometimes in the Alps, sometimes indoors. We do find indoor farrowings are a little bit easier, but I'd say in the summertime piglets and mums enjoy the outdoors a lot more. So yeah, we do have one boar bloodliner currently, which is our boar Eugene, and he is from Jack line. Recently we borrowed the Clarence boar, which these ladies are pregnant from. So hopefully we could introduce a new boar line as well. So just keep expanding. So here we have Fudge. She is our oldest sow. Her ears are so big she can barely see, bless her. She just had her piglets not so long ago. She recovered really well, but we're thinking we'll see if we're going to breed from her again, because she's coming on to about 6 years of age. We collected her with the help of charity from Kent, and she's been a good mum for the second litter that we've had from her. So we'll see. Here we have resown some Cotswold rooting mix into the paddocks. The grass has grown really well, so hopefully we can put some piggies on that too. So boy Eugene, he's a lovely, lovely boy, very friendly lad, and very good dad to lots of litters. So we had him since he was very little. We raised him. He's about 3 years old now, and sad pretty much all of the litters that we had. They're exceptional colour, good markings, and very good in characters as well. So he's a real gentleman. And always loves apples too. And that's it, Henry's apple. Hopefully she's pregnant now, and she should be following in about 3 months' time. And she's from Cynthia line. Apple is one of the first pigs we followed here in Ash Paddocks, one of our first litters, so we kept her as we do. So, and just a bit further along we have sausage with a litter. Babies are about 3 weeks old. Sausage's been a brilliant mum. She's an exceptional pig, very friendly, very docile, and very good mum. Produces really good sized litters with strongly marked piglets. She's Cynthia line as well. One of the first pigs that we bought in to Ash Paddocks, and as the name sausage suggests, she did not go for sausages. So here we are with the little ones. These little nuggets are about 3 weeks old, and they're definitely getting nice and muddy now outside, exploring, digging and doing all the little things that piglets do. They're very inquisitive around this age. This, I would say, is my favourite time. And I do prefer breeding. We're kind of taking more onto the breeding side than it is the meat side of pigs. Firstly, because the demand's quite high, and secondly, who doesn't love a little piglet? And we get the best of that, because we get to spend the time and get to know them and play with them and do all the fun little things before they go off to their new homes.